In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the URL of a page in WordPress. Whether you want to improve your SEO, clean up a messy link, or simply rename a page, changing the page URL, also known as the slug, is quick and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can do it confidently on your own website. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is usually yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and hover over Pages. Then click on All Pages. This will open a list of every page currently created on their website. From here, find the page whose URL you want to change. You don't need to fully open the page editor for this method. Instead, simply hover your mouse over the page title. You'll see several options appear underneath, including Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. Click on Quick Edit. This is the fastest way to change the page URL without opening the full editor. Once you click Quick Edit, a small panel will expand right below the page title. Inside this panel, you'll see a field labeled Slug. The slug is the part of the URL that comes after your domain name. For example, if your website is example.com and your page URL is example.com/aboutus, then About Us is the slug. To change the URL of the page, simply edit the text inside the slug field. You can shorten it, add keywords, remove dates, or rename it completely. Just make sure you use lowercase letters and hyphens instead of spaces. Keeping your slug short, clear, and keyword-focused is generally best for SEO and readability. After you've made your changes, double-check the spelling to avoid broken links or typos. Remember that changing a URL can affect existing links if the page is already published and shared. If the page is live and getting traffic, you may want to set up a redirect afterward to avoid 404 errors. But if this is a new page or not widely shared yet, you can safely proceed. Once you're happy with the new slug, click the Update button inside the Quick Edit panel. WordPress will instantly save your changes. That's it, the page URL has now been updated. If you'd like to confirm the change, click View under the page title and check the address bar in your browser. You should now see the updated URL reflecting the new slug you entered. And that's exactly how you change the URL of a page in WordPress using Quick Edit. It's a simple process that only takes a few seconds once you know where the setting is located. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials. I post step-by-step guides designed to save you time and make website management easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.